I'm going to do a quick video here for you how to make this really simple little card. I just have 3.5 by 5 greeting card blank. You can get these in any hobby store, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, or online. I get mine at a lot of garage sales, estate sales, so I had a huge pack of these, and I bought a little bag of these little feed sack squares, lots and lots of them. So this is all it is. You can work directly on this card, or a better idea maybe is to take a piece of cardstock so that you're only working on this piece. And after I glue all of these down, stitch around, then I can just mount it onto this. Or you can stitch on this, and then if you want to cover your stitching, then you just put the piece of cardstock on the back, glue it down to cover. So let's get started. This is all you do. So I'm going to just put a little bit of glue on a piece, and it doesn't matter where you stick it, unless you like things in an order, or you want to make it a color, a certain color maybe. Let's find the backing. Oh, this is 2. Oh. So just put a little dab of glue there and just kind of offset them maybe a little bit. Like I said, if your brain needs to make them in a certain order or a certain color, you just go ahead and do that. Just putting them randomly, and I don't have to use all these. I'm just gonna fill the space. Maybe I'll do this. I think I'll put one more. Okay, so that part's done. Now let's take it to the sewing machine. Okay, we're at the sewing machine, and I grabbed another little card, about the same, but just random placement. I'm going to just go around the perimeter of all the squares within maybe a 1/16 of an inch, and I'm going to start where I know I'm going to turn. So I do just a couple of back and forth stitches, and then I like to have my needle down so I can pivot. And people always ask me, are you using a special needle to go through paper, or you know, anything special? And no, I'm not. I use, especially on my featherweight, I use Schmet's Microtex needles. And you know, maybe if you do a lot of paper, you might want to change your needle, of course, before you go back to fabric, but I'm not spending a whole lot of time on paper here. So you can see I'm just going around all the perimeter. I'm not going to do any cutting of my thread, just a continuous line sewing, but just pivoting at each corner. At this point, I think I'm just going to bounce right over to this one. So I'm not too concerned about where my stitch line is. I'm just going around everything. All right, and that's how you stitch around each block. When you finish all this stitching, you can leave it just like this, okay? And this is what the back looks like. But what I like to do is take my Sharpie, let me see if I can do this just so under the light, and I just start going around each square just to give it some movement. And what I do is a dot and then a line, dot, line, dot. And then a line, dot, line, dot, line. So I just go around the whole thing. Like this. All right, and that just gives it a little bit of movement. And I don't know, a little bit of fun. All right, just go around the whole thing. Okay, once you have it all finished, then, you know, if you've left a space here, maybe you want to put a sentiment like happy birthday or thank you. And then all we're going to do is take our glue stick and glue the back. Like that. Take your card, let's move our paper away, take your card and mount it. Alrighty, how cute is that? Clean inside. There you are. Super, super cute. Okay, let's finish that up. Let's put something. I think we'll put thank you because I need a few thank you cards right now. And just do it in your handwriting. Your handwriting is you. Your handwriting is wonderful. There you go. Thank you. All right, I hope this is something fun that you guys will try. Have fun.